Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a knife from a Chinese company that is called Brother, and they are making a few offerings. Some of them are how I should say blatant copies of Spyderco knives. Some of them are some for me unknown designs, and therefore I have wanted to check out one of those unknown, let's say unknown designs, and to show it to you and tell you if they are interesting or not. And this video is also a part of the traditional knives that I want to feature more this year on my channel. So we have the model number of 1501G. Good to see that the brand will also put the name of the company. This is always good to see, so you can check them out. And they are also preserving the nature by using recycled materials. Okay, so we have here a backlog material. It will come in this oiled up plastic, so just let me wipe it down. Okay, so here is the knife. So it is a backlog, as you can see here, a little bit dirty. I will strongly suggest to use some kind of cleaning foam or cleaning solution, and then flush out the insides of the pivot area, because it came really dirty. And then I used compressed air to blow it out, and then applied some oil. This is just how the things are, and it has a really interesting construction, because as you can see, there are brass liners, stainless steel backlog, and we have looks like two large pivot pins. I have no idea how this would function, not to have a really large hole inside. So maybe there is underneath the scale there is a pivot pin, and then this is only for decoration. I'm not quite sure if this goes through another side. Okay, so one-handed opening is possible, but not so good because it has a strong back spring. So I would suggest just open it safely with two hands. We have a logo and also some slogan: one knife, one life. This is again the model number, and there is no G, but I would say the G stands for G10. Maybe they will also release a wooden scale, or maybe micarta scale. So brass pins here also. The blade steel is 440C, which is good to see that they are not using 8CR 13 MOV. The overall length of the knife is 19.6 centimeters or 7.72 inches. We have a close length or handle length of 11.1 centimeters or 4.37 inches. The blade is 8.5 centimeters or 3.35 inches. Blade width is 2.4 centimeters or 0.94 inches, and the blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. The weight of the knife is 98 grams or 3.5 ounces. So not so heavy. No pocket clip. This is more traditionally oriented, but with modern materials. It is a backlock, as I mentioned, with nice centering. Good snap. Just for size comparison, I have here with me small reptilian and also the Delica 4. I will line them up for you. So here you are. Okay, now they're lined up. So a little bit larger than the Delica and significantly larger than the small reptilian. The price of the knife is around $15. If you are interested, I will put also a link into the description. If you like, you can check it out. All the information will be also in the description box, so you can check. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.